To MooMooMath and Science, where we upload a new math or science video every day. In this video, I'd like to work on solving percent word problems. You can use the proportion part over total equals percent divided by 100 to solve a word problem involving percent. You should always have three numbers and one variable. You'll use part divided by total when you have longer type word problems. Is and of are used for problems with very few words, but there's always an is and of in them. Let's get started with the first example. Okay, so I've rewritten the part over total. Sorry, this is a little messy, but I changed it from 45% to 30. Rob installed 45 light bulbs, which was 30% of the total job. How many light bulbs will he install when he is finished? I've circled 45 and the percent. So let's go ahead and fill in the percent. The 30 over 100 equals, and now I have to decide, is this the part or the total? Well, it is the part, so I'll write the part here and over x. Now all you do is a cross product. So 45 times 100 is 4,500 is equal to 30x. Now to get x by itself, I divide each side by 30. And so x is equal to 150. Okay, let me double check my work. I know I'm right, but let's double check that. Is equal to 150. Now what does the 150 tell us? The 150 tells us how many he will need to install total. It is the total number installed. Okay, let's go with another example if you don't mind. I'll work through these quickly. Okay, now this next one, at McClure, 70% of the total school population of 800 liked pop music. How many students like pop music? So I'm going to go part over total equals percent over 100. I'm given the percent, which is 70. So now all I have to do is figure out this side. Well, it tells me that 800 are in the entire school, so 800 is your total. I'm trying to find x, okay? So now what I do is 70 times 800, I'm going to cheat and use my calculator, is equal to 56,000 is equal to 100. X, divide each side by 100 in order to get x by itself. So x is equal to 560. And once again, I'm off down at the bottom. So what does the 560 tell us? It tells us that the 560 is the part of the population that like pop music. Okay? And finally, let's work one more. Hopefully you're getting the hang of this a little bit. We'll use the same formula, part over total, and if you just plug numbers into the formula, it's really fairly straightforward. Just got to make sure with your with your multiplication, and not to make mistakes there. At the game, 6 of the 30 students. So they're giving us 6 is the part, 30 is the total. We're looking for what percent. Percent is the x over 100. 6 times 100 is 600. X is equal to 30. You know, in order to get the 30 by itself, we're going to divide each side by 30. Okay, these cancel. X is equal to 600 divided by 30 is equal to, what is that? 600 divided by 30 is 20. And what is 20? That is our percent of the students who wore hoodies. Hope that helps with percent word problems. Thanks for watching. MooMooMath uploads a new math video and science video every day. Please subscribe or share.